everyone, welcome back to Toy's channel.
Today I'm going to be bringing you a closer look to the latest Hot Toys Toys Fair exclusive PS4 Cyborg Spider-Man suit figure.
And please remember to like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more goodness and greatness all things Marvel, Pokemon, Demon Slayer, etc. Without further ado, let me give you guys a closer look.
First off, I would say the mechanical arm really stands out, whether it's the shoulder pads area or the bottom black layer of the arm. It looks great in person and the hint of blue really made it shine. Complementing these are the right eye visor as well as the many pouches on the belt. As they're very detailed though, I would have loved Hot Toys to make the pouches actually functional and be opened up. Throughout the blue and red base figure, you can find many stitches for the suit as well as the bandages across the head and left thigh. These stitches are molded and because they're not flat, it definitely elevates the immersiveness of the figure in the details department. The figure does come with 5 pairs of hands and the conventional webs from the previous releases for Hot Toys Spider-Man figures. Similarly, you get the various eye expressions and this time it's limited to the left one as the visor side is probably unremovable. I wouldn't say this is a bad figure, but as the PS4 game had quite a lot of Spider-Man suits and Hot Toys are releasing them batch by batch, I believe there are definitely stronger candidates out there such as the Doc Ock suit. Meanwhile, you can also check out my other Marvel Hot Toys videos such as the ones I took at the different Hot Toys stores I visited in the link down below. I hope this video has helped you out better in making your purchasing decision, and thank you so much once again for watching.
And please remember to like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more goodness and greatness all things Marvel, Pokemon, Demon Slayer, etc.
And I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe and see ya.